Wow! Is this a spinner? Let's see. And what about an interesting gadget for your car? Well, stick around because we have some very interesting picks for you today. All the links to the products are in the description below. Black Diamond Equipment Hotwire Carabiner for rock climbing. The beaner that started the Wiregate revolution, the redesigned Black Diamond Hotwire Carabiner is an integral part of any climber's rack, even now, more than 20 years after its creation. With updated geometry and a cold-forged construction, the Hotwire also features a nose shroud that prevents the Wiregate from opening when interacting with the rock. Its versatile size and large rope-bearing surface make it ideal for everything from after-work sport cracking to big wall free climbing and long alpine ice routes. All Anker Powerline 2 3-in-1 cable. Charge any of your devices with the interchangeable built-in micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning connectors. Enhanced durability, extreme reinforcement keeps internal wiring protected from trauma and degradation. Connect to a huge range of phones and tablets, including Samsung Galaxy S10 and Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. Power up a huge range of micro USB devices, including earphones, speakers, and more. MFI is certified to work flawlessly with your Lightning devices, including iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Designed to withstand every twist, tug, and tangle of daily life. Engineered with Powerline 2's signature bulletproof fiber reinforcement for long-lasting performance. Slice Retract Mini Cutter. The Mini Cutter features a versatile design to work as well as a safety box cutter as it does a pocket knife or kitchen multi-tool. The advanced ceramic material is rust-proof, non-conductive, anti-magnetic, and won't spark. The slow-to-dull blade starts at an effective sharpness and retains its safe cutting edge for up to 11 times longer than steel for consistently smooth cuts again and again. Auto-retractable blade stays out of harm's way when you're not using the knife for safe storage. The keyhole and built-in magnet allow you to keep this unique tool in a convenient location to ensure it's always close at hand. Easy, no-tool blade change allows you to simply replace dull blades without requiring any extra tools. Milwaukee Fastback Folding Utility Knife. The Fastback Quick Release Utility Knife from Milwaukee is the type of tool that you can effectively use wherever you are at any time of day. Whether you're in construction, work outdoors, or just need a tool for slicing rope or tape in your day-to-day life, this is for you. Its robust, all-metal design will hold up to drops from a variety of heights. Not that dropping it is likely. An ergonomic handle conforms to most hands, making grip easy. On top of that, when it's not in use, you can keep it stored snugly on your belt or pants with the bolted-on wire clip. MX Keys Mini Wireless Keyboard. Logitech MX Keys Mini. Introducing MX Keys Mini, a smaller, smarter, and mightier keyboard made for creators. Type with confidence on a keyboard crafted for efficiency, stability, and precision. The ergonomic design aligns your shoulders, allowing you to place your mouse closer to your keyboard for less arm reaching, more comfort, and improved body posture. Easily pair MX Keys Mini via Bluetooth Low Energy with up to 3 devices. Smart keys transform the way you work, with a dictation key to talk to text with the press of a button, an emoji key to instantly open your emoji window, and a mic mute unmute button for smooth video calls. Team up with the Flow-enabled MX Master 3 or MX Anywhere 3 and type on multiple devices in one fluid workflow. E5 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Clean your floors more effectively and efficiently with RoboRock E5 Mop. Equipped with optic eye and dual gyroscopes, it knows where it has been and what is left to clean, and a Z-shaped path for fast and effective cleaning. Vacuum and mop simultaneously, mopping over 1,600 square feet with a 180 milliliter snap mop system, removing fine dirt that vacuuming alone may miss. Control every element of your robot wherever you are from the Roborock app. Start and stop cleanups and more with just the power of your voice. Attach the remote control to any convenient magnetic surface with Roborock Mag Base. M1 Maverick Bifold Wallet. Dangle wallets embody the best materials possible, incorporating the noblest technologies in manufacturing and design. Handmade in the USA, Dangle Wallets prides itself on providing contemporary styling while staying tactical and functional. Reach in and see which Dangle product enhances your everyday. The M1 Maverick Bifold Pocket Wallet is built to last. We use the highest grade materials in this wallet to ensure a premium feel. Machined out of 6061 aerospace aluminum and assembled with high quality top grain leather and fashioned with mil-spec bolts. In addition, the aluminum chassis is anodized for a tough coated finish. Blunt Metro Travel Umbrella. Compact, convenient, and collapsible, the Blunt Metro is perfect for the urban dweller. Metro is perfectly sized to give you coverage while not taking up too much street space. Every detail is considered. Blunt umbrellas have been engineered from the inside out with patented innovation. As part of our design process, all our models are independently wind tunnel tested to speeds that will more than everyday use. With our relentless passion to create the best possible umbrellas, we put every single umbrella through a 38-point quality check before it reaches you. Form Smart Swim Goggles. Real-time in-goggle metrics, activity tracking, pool, open water, swim spa, smartwatch compatibility for open water, Apple and Garmin, detailed post-swim analysis, plus community features to connect and share swims. Swim with in-goggle workout instructions and progress updates. Pair your goggles in the app to activate your membership. Cutting-edge technology is built into the goggle lens. Roku Express HD Streaming Media Player. Start streaming with a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including Roku channels and 275 plus live TV channels for free on the Roku channel. It's easy to get started with everything you need included in the box, including a high-speed HDMI cable. Just plug it into your TV and connect to the internet. Compact and power-packed, you'll stream your favorites with ease, including movies and series on HBO Max, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Prime Video. Incredibly easy to use, this remote features shortcut buttons to popular streaming channels. Coway Airmega 150K True HEPA Air Purifier. A combination of a pre-filter, deodorization filter, and true HEPA filter reduces 99.999% of 0.01 micron particles, including pollen and other allergens. It also reduces 99% of volatile organic compounds with odor. Some purifiers make a dusty mess when trying to replace or clean your filters. With Coway's cartridge design, it's easier and cleaner than ever to remove and replace filters since they are contained in one portable cartridge. You have control with the touch of a button, including fan speed, power, light on and off, and filter reset. Constantly monitoring the air quality, the fan automatically adjusts to purifier space as needed, providing a new level of cleaning in real time. Air.0 origami-inspired mouse. Give your work setup a redesign and go for the Air.0 origami-inspired mouse. Offering a redesigned form factor for on-the-go use, it has a truly portable design for mobile working and living. With this gadget, you avoid an unsightly bulge protruding from your pockets or bags. It has an origami design concept that transforms a flat material into a robust 3D-shaped object, and then back to its flat state again. A totally new iteration of a traditional computer mouse, it enhances your productivity and enjoyment in various situations. In fact, it provides a slim, portable, sturdy solution and ergonomically fits in your hand. The pillbug spinner. The fingertip gyro, decompression toys, various kinds of rotational fidget toys have been popular in North America since the beginning of 2016 and have since swept the world. Because of its ingenuity and portability, when we are bored, when we are anxious, we can take it out for a short time. According to a large number of user feedback, fingertip gyros can help them relieve anxiety, help stop smoking, emotional relief effects on people with ADHD and obsessive-compulsive disorder. When thinking, creating, and meditating, pinching a fingertip gyro at the fingertips unconsciously turns, making it easier for people to calm down. Mbux hyperscreen. Visually impressive, radically easy to operate, and extremely eager to learn. The Mbux hyperscreen is one of the highlights of the EQS. It represents the emotional intelligence of the all-electric upper-class model. The large, curved screen unit stretches almost the entire width from the left to the right A-pillar. In addition to its sheer size, the high-quality, detail-loving design also provides a wow effect. This aesthetic, high-tech look is the emotional dimension of the Mbux hyperscreen.